Hello everyone, welcome back to Travelers Click YouTube channel. Today I want to introduce you a super cool snake which called common rough-sided snake. In Sinhala it calls Dalawa Medilla. I came across this guy right near the Tea and Experience Factory which belongs to Tema Collection Hotel chain which locates in Mandaram Nuwara, Sri Lanka. This snake is pretty chill and non-venomous, but some people kill this snake without knowing its features. So don't, if you see this kind of a snake, don't kill. So it's non-venomous. This snake has a cool factor. Just look at that body. It's got these rough ridged scales that help it blend right into the environment, especially when it's slithering around rocks or dense plants like the ones you see here. When talking about its habitat, this snake loves moist areas, especially places near water like streams or marshes. And as you can tell, it's pretty at home there. In areas with a lot of vegetation, plants like this, where it can hide and go about its business without being disturbed. The most important thing is this common rough-sided snake, which is Dalawa Medilla. It's endemic to Sri Lanka. That means it's found only here and nowhere else in the world. It got a pretty important role in the ecosystem too, which help in to keep the population of small rodents and amphibians in check around the area. This snake grows about 40 to 70 centimeters long. And when talking about breeding, the female typically lays around 4 to 10 eggs in hidden spots like under leaves or cracks in rocks. When the babies hatch, the baby snakes are already pretty independent and start hunting some small prey like frogs and insects. Actually, this is the first time that I saw this snake. Even though these snakes are shy and usually try to avoid humans, so I rarely got this chance. So that's all today's wildlife adventure. And thanks for watching my video. And if you ever in Mandaram Nuwara, keep your eyes peeled for this cool snake. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.